Hello everyone, I'm here to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S4 ad called Sound Shot. By watching this video, I kinda have to say that it looks like regular video chat because they seem to be talking with each other and showing some stuff, and he kind of just messages his mother some pictures and stuff, and yeah, I mean, sorry about that. um, it looks like he's just texting, well, not texting, but messaging his mother some pictures that he's taking on a trip. Anyway, this is not something like revolutionary, but I do think that these pictures will have great quality because this Samsung Galaxy S4 will have a 13 megapixel camera. Of course, megapixels is not everything, but they will indeed have more detail than the S3 for sure. And if you want to stay tuned with technology, you have to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you. Bye.